Honeybees are truly spectacular creatures. Not only are the honeybees capable of producing their own food supply, but these resilient little creatures also create their own building material to construct their homes with and store away food. This ability to create their own reusable material and produce their own foods allows the bees to keep thriving unlike any species in nature. Between the age of 10 and 20 days old, a young bee uses her 8 special wax glands developed inside her abdomen to convert sugar from honey into a waxy substrate. The bee then secretes the wax through the underside of her abdomen in the form of a liquid. The wax quickly cools and is removed by the bees using their hind legs. The bees soften the wax by chewing on it. This allows them to mold and construct hexagonal-shaped cells, which form what will be their new home. After the construction process is complete and there is no more room to build cells, the result from the bees' labor and hard work is beautiful honeycomb. Honeycomb is used by the bees for many reasons. When forager bees carry pollen back to the hive from male flowers using special compartments on their hind legs, they are greeted at the hive entrance by house bees, who sample and bring the pollen to designated cells for storage. The bees pack pollen into cells using their heads and mix it with honey to create a special food source. This food source is called bee bread and is often fed to their larvae, otherwise known as baby bees. Forager bees also collect nectar from female flowers and store the nectar in their special honey stomach, which is separate from their food stomach. Once a bee's honey tummy is full of nectar, she returns to the hive to transfer nectar to a house bee by way of mouth. The house bee then carries the nectar for about a half hour while doing other chores around the hive. During this time, the nectar mixes with the enzymes produced by the bee's body to create honey. Once ready, she will regurgitate the honey into cells and fan out the excess moisture until it becomes the right consistency and density before capping the cells with wax for protection. Bees also use cells for taking power naps between foraging flights. These power naps help the bees regain energy for fanning the hive, pollination, defending their home, and caring for their young. These are many ways in which the bees use honeycomb throughout their daily lives. You can enjoy more of these beautiful films at isafebees.com. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please consider making a small donation or consider becoming a sponsor. A special thanks for helping make this episode possible. Thank you everyone for your current support. You too can help me save the bees by spreading awareness. Thank you for watching.